Okay, so for our art this term, we are going to be working towards a paper sculpture. So we're going to start with a little bit of origami. So we have done some origami before, but we are going to work through this and make a origami crane. And then what we're going to do is work towards lots of paper folding and cutting paper to make a paper sculpture at the end. Okay, so all you'll need is some A4 paper and some scissors and a little bit of patience. So I'm going to use some coloured paper here with a pattern on, and it's white on the back. That will just be a little bit easier for me to show you where you need to fold and which side you're going to need to fold on. Okay, but it's absolutely fine for you to use just plain coloured paper or white paper. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we need to make a square. So we're going to fold our paper across. So one thing that we're going to need to work on is to make sure that our points are really, really sharp. Okay, so just take your time when you are folding. So if you're not sure whether your points are going to be really sharp, just fold it a little bit and see, and then you can make the crease. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to cut along this line here, and that's going to give us our square. So you want to try and keep this line as straight as possible. So just take your time when you're cutting this. This is the only bit of cutting that we need to do for this one. Okay, so now we've got our square. If you fold it out like this, we've got our square. Okay, so the next thing we need to do, we've already made that crease here. We're going to fold again on the same side across. So make sure our points are nice and sharp. Okay. So we've got that like this. And then we're going to turn our piece of paper around. So you'll know that it's the other way around because it will bow upwards like that, okay? A bit like a teepee. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fold our paper in half. So we're going to fold it inwards like that. So I'm taking my time to make sure that they're nice and sharp before I press it down. Okay. And then I'm going to open it up and do it again the other side. Okay, so I'm going to face it here, so I've got my pointed bit here. And here, the folds want to fold inwards like this. Okay, so what you're going to do, oh, I'm out in my garden, so it's a little bit windy. So we're going to fold these inwards here, all the way down to the bottom, okay? And then we're going to carefully fold that down like that. Okay, so now we've got a little diamond shape here, and the flaps are at the bottom. Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to fold these flaps here into the centre crease that we've got. So this is a little bit fiddly, and so what I would suggest is you use your nail to support the bottom bit here. That's going to be your smallest little crease there. And we're going to fold it into the centre. then we're going to do it to the other side. And then what we're going to do is we're going to turn our piece of paper around, and we're going to do the exact same to this side. And what we're going to do is we're going to fold this top bit down a little bit, because this is going to help us when it comes to our next fold. So we'll just give it a little bit of a crease there. Then what we're going to do is we're going to open these side folds here that we made, and we're going to open them on the back as well. Okay, so now we've sort of got our little diamond back. And then what we're going to do is we're going to lift up this little flap that we've got here, and we're going to lift it up all the way to this crease that we've made here. So we're going to lift it up. So what you do, push your fingers inside there, just to the crease that you've got. Okay. So hold this bit down, and you're going to fold these little side flaps that you made. Okay. And just keep pushing it down, and if you push this down, the other side will want to fold with it. So you may need to fiddle a little bit with the top bit that you didn't quite fold. There we go. You can flatten that down like that now. And then we can turn it over, and we are going to fold this top flap here the other way, because that will help us to fold when we open this up. Okay. And then again, we'll open up this flap here at the bottom, all the way to the crease that we made in here. And we're going to fold these sides down into the centre, just like we did on the other side. Okay. Okay, so we've got to this bit here, and now what we're going to do is fold in these edges here. Okay, so we've got two on either side, so we're going to fold one into the centre. We are then going to fold the other one into the centre crease here, and then what we're going to do, turn it over, fold that inwards like that, keeping it nice and flat, and fold that one inwards as well. So we're going to push down our creases to make sure they are really sharp. Okay, so press it down like this, and then what we're going to do is we are going to invert these flaps at the front, and we're going to do the same on the back. So we've got these two here, we're going to lift them up, we're going to invert them like that, and then we're going to do the exact same to this back side here. Okay, so now we're left with what I think looks a little bit like ears. So we want to have this side here with the little gap in between, and these facing towards us again. And then what we're going to do, these are going to be our wings. So we need to fold them up towards the body of the crane. Okay, so we do that to the front and to the back, and then we're going to invert it again. To lay it flat, we're going to push these two front bits together, give them a nice press, and we're going to do the same to the other side. So give that a nice press. Okay. So again, we're remembering that these bits here are our wings. So we need to fold them down. So follow this line here. So we've got this edge and this edge. We're going to fold along there. And then we're going to fold along here. Okay. And then here is going to be our head and our tail. So I usually pick the one that I haven't done so well folding. That's going to be my head. Okay, and this one's going to be my tail. So what you do here is you're going to pull out your head or tail to how far you want it to stick out. And then you're going to push and recrease where you want it to sit. Okay, and then you're going to do the same to the other side. So push it out and then recrease where you want it to sit. So this is going to be my head. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to fold my head downwards a little bit so that my crane has a little nose. Okay, pop the wings up and we've got our crane.